কেউ যদি পাশে থাকতো, মা মর্নিং ওয়াক করার সময় একজন সঙ্গী পেত। কেউ যদি পাশে থাকতো, বাবার বাজার করার অভ্যেসটা ছাড়তে হতো না। একা ছাড়তে ভয় হয়। কেউ যদি পাশে থাকতো, মাকে নিয়ে একবার দক্ষিণেশ্বরে পুজো দিয়ে আসতো। অনেক দিন যায়নি। পাশের ফ্ল্যাটের ঘোষ কাকু নাকি সেদিন রাত্রিবেলা বাথরুমে পড়ে গেছিলেন। কেউ যদি পাশে থাকতো, সেই সময় তাড়াতাড়ি ডাক্তারের কাছে নিয়ে যেতে পারত। পরীর জন্য মা সোয়েটার বুনেছে অনেকগুলো। কেউ যদি পাশে থাকতো, সেগুলো করে পাঠিয়ে দিত। পরী পেত তার আম্মার বানানো সোয়েটার। কেউ যদি পাশে থাকতো, বিকেলবেলা বাবাকে ফিজিওথেরাপি করিয়ে যেত। আমরা আছি আপনার পাশে। আমরা মাইতির কেয়ার ভলেন্টিয়ার, আপনার সাথে, আপনার পাশে।
Hi friends. So I believe we all are safe till now. You all are safe and you are staying at home as much as possible. And as per the directive, you are not going out until and unless it is absolutely necessary to go out. Now, as because we are all locked up at home and we are not able to enjoy the life outside, so the second episode of our series, Startup Stories, is now being done absolutely from home, remotely and online episode. So this is the first part of the June season, and this web series called Startup Stories, I'm sure will motivate a lot of youth today to come down and do something on their own. And as we say, they dare, we share. So today we have with us Mr. Manoj Maiti from Next Care. And as the name suggests, Nest Care is all about care. This is one particular company which has catered to a huge number of senior citizens, and they aspire to increase the number manifold. A huge number of senior citizens who have been at home alone, and not that their children do not want to take care of them, but yes, for better opportunities, for studies, for career, they might have to travel, they might have to settle outside the country, outside the state, outside hometown. So Nest Care comes up with lots and lots of services, and Mr. Manoj Maiti has been a phenomenal entrepreneur, because what I had some kind of long conversation with him, and I understood that the journey that he had taken, it's very interesting to understand how from being a student to a professional to an entrepreneur he took his journey, and that's what we are going to listen from him. Welcome Manoj on this show, and we have with us co-host Devaditto, who is absolutely leading a very fantastic group called Shuru Up. Shuru Up is a group which we have started in Bengal, and we would love to spread it out pan-India. Devaditto has a fantastic career in terms of his entrepreneurial ventures as a professional. Currently also he is working with startups. So he is a phenomenal person. He has been with the Chamber of Commerce as well, helping a huge number of entrepreneurs. So given his huge experience, he is spearheading the group called Shuru Up. And this Startup Stories now is a joint venture between My Cool Guru and Shuru Up. So welcome Manoj, and the first thing both of us would love to understand is the journey. What made you an entrepreneur? As we say, you dared. What made you dare? What made you take the risk?
Okay, so before answering whatever you asked, I would really thank you, Dr. Datta and Devaditto, for inviting me on this platform to share my story or my journey as an entrepreneur. Okay, so thank you very much, and I would really appreciate the effort you are putting into bring all the startup ecosystem, maybe which is very very low in this world, right? So thank you very much for your initiative, right? So let me tell you something about me as an individual. Like I was born and brought up in a very remote village where I used to walk almost 1.5 hours, like 1.5 hours to reach my school. Okay, so it's such a very remote village of Sundarban. Okay, so I have done my schooling over there and then came to Kolkata for the first time, right? Maybe I was the very first member of my family to come and stay in Kolkata. and I started in Jadavpur University, done my graduation and courses over there, right? Done my MBA also. Now, I had a very long corporate journey. I had worked with different corporate companies like Bharti Airtel, Tata, Idea Cellular. So mostly it's telecom industry. Okay, and I started. Also, I was a teacher, a private tutor in my early college days. Right. So once upon a time, I thought of doing something in education, like I'll be getting forward as a teacher or something like that. But to the time, so things changes, and I changed my mind from doing a private tuition to a service kind of thing. Okay. Now coming to my professional journey, like I started my career with a company called SA Teroka Limited. It's all about selling weighing scales. Then your telecom journey. Now my last tenure was with Tata Teleservices. I left Tata as a general head. Okay. Now in Tata days, so Tata culture was there. It was the best organization I have ever worked in, right? So once upon a time, maybe some 3-4 years back, we used to sit together to assess, like whatever we are doing. So supposedly we two were the best of the lot, right? Maybe in Eastern India we are doing best in terms of that. In couple of times maybe we're the best ZMs or something like that. So even after performing to a greater extent, you can say, still you have a doubt, like your job is at stake, right? Then we used to think, like, what exactly we should be doing, like after spending 16-17 years as a professional person, like when you are at the top of your career, then we thought, like this is not the right way to pursue, or maybe you need to do something which is better than this, where you will be thinking, like you are driving something, not you are driven. Okay, so that is maybe the seeding part. We conceptualize that we need to do something on our own, right? So we conceived that thought. We spent almost 1 year time. I can still recall that 4-5 years back, we used to sit in the evening at Science City Gate, right? Both of us used to sit over there to think whether we should be thinking something big where we can employ many people. So that was the basic idea. Okay. So then I said that I have some experience in teaching students. So this could be the best platform, because education is never it's a recession-free industry. Okay, so you can pursue all the time your something in education, right? So that is what we thought. Let us shuru kori with tutorial part. Then we thought we will be having a kind of chain of tutorials and everything. But so then we left our job and we started our first tutorial at Sonarpur as score tutorial. Okay. But as a kind of entrepreneur, when you are thinking and when you are trying to do something, there is a hell and heaven difference. You will be bombarded with a hell lot of complications, challenges. The people are not supporting. You will be finding very, very low people, like very, very limited number of people who will be supporting you. That was the first thing you have to have that thing in your mind, that whenever you are trying to do something on your own, there will be no one with you. And believe me, it's no one. Right? Now you have to have that guts to take that challenge. Okay, let's do something. I'll be doing. Okay, even if no one is there, I'll be doing this. Right? So that was the first thing you should be having. Then we started tutorial part. We invested, maybe we bootstrapped some that tutorial, and then we spent a lot of money for nothing, right? So then after 6 months, 7 months gone, I guess we reached that break-even point, and then one day we thought this is not the right way. Maybe we we may earn something which will suffice our livelihood, but that is not the way whatever we are planning for, right? So then we just did some R&D. Even we wanted to carry on with education. Then we started doing some R&D. We just wanted to find out which was the part of, or what is the part of that education which would be, which we can take it forward and we can scale it up pan India. Then we found there is a part of education which is known as ECC, Early Childhood Care and Education, right? So that is a great segment. Only 15-16% penetration was there, right? And you can say 86% was left aside, right? It's a great market, $4-5 billion market. So there is a huge scalability. So we started doing something, and we are doing fantastic. Like we have a venture, like that company name is School Global Education Private Limited, and we is a Baby Bunny is our trademark, it's a brand name, right? So we have a preschool chain by Baby Bunny. But again, this scenario came as pandemic, right? So since last 1.5 years, you have your Corona period. Okay, so this education is badly impacted area, right? And I believe that in coming session also it will be a problematic for all of us, like the people who are in education industry. In the next academic session it will be impacted, right? So that was the basic understanding from all these things. Now, what happened since after getting this lockdown period kind of thing, and then moving that that all that units are closed, students are not coming to your schools, your units, some things are happening maybe online, some things are not happening online, right? So there are so many things which is not in favor. There's the only way out that you can cry and say that we have whatever we tried to do, we couldn't do because of Corona, right? But those things are not in your hands. So that was the only time when you can plan to diverse, right? So we had a diversification. Then we thought, let us do something which is not directly associated to education. We should be doing something else which will be in favor of this Corona period, or maybe something which the people require even they are in Corona times, right? So that was the thought at that time, and then we figured it out. Like one day in the Corona period as well, like when people are sitting at home in my complex where 100 flats are there, I used to see that one person, he is very aged, like maybe 70-75 years old. He's very aged, but every day he goes out at a thola tholi niye hate, right, to get his vegetables, groceries, etc. One day in my morning walk time, so I asked that person, like even after I can find that he was having some problem in walking also, right? He cannot walk properly. I then asked, what exactly, like you go to market every day to get your this kind of fruits, vegetables, etc. daily livelihood? He said yes. I said, don't you have any other person, like a person nearby who can help you out? He said, okay, I have my son-in-law, but he stays near about 5-6 kilometers from here, so it will take some time. Also, it is a Corona days in a lockdown period, so people are not being able to come. Okay? So then I got the concept, like there is a segment where there is no person to help that person, right? So this is a kind of segment where we can do a hell lot of things. Then I started doing research, and it is very, very surprising that out of whatever population we are having, approximately 140 crores, so your 10.5 crore people are senior citizens. It's 8.9% as of now, right? If you consider the Indian population, it's 10.5 crore people are senior citizens, and it is very, very alarming that India is a country which is aging very fast. it is said that by 2050, your senior citizen population will be, more than the cumulative population of the USA. Means it will be more than 34 crore. And 43% senior citizens are now living alone. Right? Now the concept starts from here. Your senior citizens percentage is growing at a rate of 170%. Okay? Now it's 43%. Once you cross the age bracket of 60, you will be having at least 2 chronic diseases. Either you will be a patient of diabetes, you will be having maybe the stroke, God forbid, right? You will be having some mental ailments also. Also, their children are not staying with them; they are staying alone. So mental ailments like anxiety, depression, all these things are there. Arthritis is a very, very common disease with the senior people, and so all these things cumulatively restrict them from any kind of movement. So bajarta korbe ke? If there is a medical crisis, who will address this thing, right? Also, you'll hear that so many senior people or aged people are dying at home only, and nobody gets to know, right? So this is a kind of area where very limited kind of organization, a very limited number, means you can only hate gona 2-4 জন player, right? So there is no organized organization like they are working into it, right? So that was the concept. In West Bengal, if you consider, it's approximately 10.5 lakhs senior citizens, they are staying absolutely alone. Okay, so it is very, very alarming, right? আর এখন কি হচ্ছে, এখন তো ছেলেপুলেরা আমাদের কলকাতা থেকে, if you consider Kolkata also, to get that job and all these things, people are going out of West Bengal and they're staying in Bangalore, maybe Delhi, maybe some other states, maybe they are also going abroad. So their parents are staying here. And now also, if you consider yourself, or if you consider myself also, right? I do not have much time to look after my neighbor also. What is happening, I don't even know, right? So the scenario is something like this, and you can expect more. Now it is 43%, and you can expect the scenario, or the statistics says by next 10 years it will be approximately 65 to 67% people will be staying alone. That population will be huge, right? So now that was the concept, and then only we thought of doing something, and we incorporated our company in the month of December only. It's 2020 December only, right? So now beyond this thing, like this is the mota concept. I guess everyone is, all of you have understood what exactly it is doing, right? Now, so this is a mota concept. Now, if you consider, like, if you have a senior member, only 47% people having a smartphone, and even your parent has a smartphone, if you ask him to go to Facebook or maybe to app to place order something, or it is not going to happen. This is very simple. So any kind of app, if you talk about there is a problem, maybe problem with the SC, right? You are not there. Your parent is supposed to go to some mobile application and press the order. It is not going to happen, or it is not possible for them, right? So there has to be a kind of customized service for the parents or the senior people. Now, if you consider, if you just think through, do you have any kind of service provider who is having the customized services? It's maybe পাড়ার একটা ছেলে হতে পারে যাকে হয়তো চিনি, ও এখন নেই, right? So this is something like that. You do not have any kind of dedicated service provider whose number is there with you, and just pick up the phone, call him, ki I need a plumber, I need a aya, I need a nurse, I need this groceries to be delivered. There is no one, right? So we are just trying to explore this area, right? So this is the concept, right? Now we have come up with our mobile application, as well as cloud telephony is there, or the telephone number is there, or backend relationship manager is there, or delivery relationship manager is there. So everybody is taken care of, right? So this is the concept, and this is how we are trying to address this problem.
That's an amazing thing. That's like, the best part was the diversity. The way you started with something and then you landed up with this particular idea, which perhaps is one of the most needed ones to take care of the senior
Yes.
citizen. Right? Devaditya, what do you think? Like, I find a lot of similarity with you, right? You have been being very diversified in your career. At every stage, you have been learning. So, what do you think?
Definitely agreed. যেটা মনোজ বাবু বললেন, so I'm speaking in Bengali. So I think diversification is required at times, because we do have a vision. We do have a vision when we start, and যখন আমরা একবার সেই ভেঞ্চারটার মধ্যে থাকি, when we nurture that venture or we execute the plans, maybe at some point of time মার্কেট ডাইনামিক্সটা আমাদের কখনো কখনো বুঝতে হয়, আর বোঝার পর বেসিক্যালি আমরা দেখতে পাই যে না, যে চিন্তা ভাবনা বা যে ভিশন নিয়ে আমরা এগোচ্ছিলাম, maybe we need to work out that, and if we can come up with something else যেটা হয়তো currently it has a market demand, going forward it has a huge potential. So I think at times we need to diversify. Plan A নিয়ে সবসময় আমাদের হয়তো এগিয়ে যাওয়াটা ঠিক হয় না. We need to diversify at times, and I do believe that being a Bengali, we do have a lot of emotions, being independent as an entrepreneur, but at the same point of time we need to be practical as well. We need to be pragmatic, right? So কোন প্রোডাক্টটার ভায়াবিলিটি কত, তার ফিজিবিলিটি কত, সেটা যেরকম আমরা প্রজেক্ট বা ভেঞ্চারটা শুরু করার আগে করি, সো at the same point of time যখন আমরা ভেঞ্চারটার মধ্যে থাকি, when it's operational, so at the same point of time আমাদের কিন্তু সেই ইভ্যালুয়েশনটা করে যেতে হবে যে whether we are going into the right direction or not. So I totally agree with what Manoj Babu has done so far, and I really congratulate him and wish him all the best in the journey ahead.
ইনফ্যাক্ট এটা আই থিঙ্ক অনেক স্টার্টআপেরই এটা গল্প যে যেখান থেকে আমরা শুরু করি আর যেখানে গিয়ে আলটিমেটলি পৌঁছাই, দুটোর মধ্যে অনেক চেঞ্জ এসে যায়। মানে একটা কিছু ভেবে শুরু করা আর করতে করতে বোঝা যায় যে না, হয়তো আমাদের এই জায়গায় একটু চেঞ্জ হলে ভালো হতো, একটু ওরকম ভাবে গেলে ভালো হতো, বা একটু এইটা। তো ইনফ্যাক্ট আমার যেটা খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং লাগলো যে এটা বোধহয় সব স্টার্টআপেরই একটা এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, যে যখন কিছু প্রজেক্ট শুরু করা হয় তখন অ্যাকচুয়ালি পাশে কাউকে পাওয়া যায় না। এটা বোধহয় প্রত্যেকেরই হবে, যে খুব কম স্টার্টআপ এমন হবে লাকিলি যারা বলবে যে না, আমি তো প্রচুর হেল্প পেয়েছি, আমি অনেক কিছুই করেছি। ইনফ্যাক্ট এই একটা অবজেক্টিভ নিয়ে এই শুরু আপ গ্রুপটা আমরা করেছি, যাতে যতদূর সম্ভব আমরা প্রত্যেকেই বাঙালি হিসেবে চেষ্টা করছি একটা কিছু করার। তো যতটা সম্ভব যদি একজন আরেকজনকে আর কি পাশে থেকে যেটা পারে সেই সার্ভিসগুলো এক্সচেঞ্জ করে আমরা যদি নিজেদের মধ্যে একটা জায়গা তৈরি করতে পারি। ইনফ্যাক্ট আরেকটা যেটা আমার খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং জিনিস দেবাদিত্য, আমার মনে হয় এটা আমাদের মনোজবাবুর কাছে জানা, যেটা আমরাও আগের দিনও কথা বলছিলাম, যে চ্যালেঞ্জেস গুলো তো ঠিকই, ডেফিনেটলি আমরা অনেক রকম চ্যালেঞ্জেস এইটা দিয়ে শুরু করলাম, যে কেউ পাশে থাকে না বা কিছু হয়। টেকনিক্যালি অপারেশনালি কি কি চ্যালেঞ্জেস আপনি ফেস করছিলেন? ধরুন অ্যাপ তৈরি করা বা টেকনিক্যাল বা লোক পাওয়া, বা একটা জিনিসকে সিমলেসলি in order to seamlessly keep operating a particular system, to launch it and then to keep operating, what are the challenges?
অনেকগুলো জিনিস আছে, আমি if I break into in several parts, like your technology is one part, right? Resource is one part, means your team, whether you are getting a right team or not, right? So everything starts with you, means you are a part of the team. You have to have good people on board, means the people who are smarter than the founder. Okay, so the good people, good team. So you have to have your core team members, right?
Right.
So core team members means ami jodi boli I'm the only person who is taking care of everything. So probably that might not work, because আমি এখানে হয়তো আমি কিছু জিনিস চিন্তা করতে পারি, বাট মাই বিজনেস যে মডেলগুলো রেডি করা আমি weak আছে. That's it. I'm giving one example. What exactly happens with my co-founder? He is very strong in commercial and financial part, right? but I'm not so strong in that part. But yes, I know I can think of many things. I can think of what exactly we should be doing, what exactly it may happen, or what exactly it may look like after 5 years, right? So I am planning in that way. So he is talking from a commercial part. So your team, the first thing is that you have to have a great team. Means your team members, founding team members. And then since you're a startup, if you are going for getting some resources, like, who will be there in a frontline part, so it is very difficult to get people because they don't have any trust in you, right? So if I say I need a delivery boy, and Zomato or maybe Swiggy says I need a delivery boy, so they will get maybe 100 numbers. I may or may not get one, right? So then you need to show them that this is a growth path, this is what you can earn, right? So you just have to have trust in me, right? So see, there's so many things happen, right? So this is one part which actually the challenges in making a team. Second being a technology, right? So if we talk about technology, whatever I thought of maybe in the month of December or maybe November, that my app will look like this, right? But believe me, when I'm hitting the market, when I'm getting the actual feedback from the market, maybe the feedback of the user, the provider, then I find this app is not so technically sound, right? Okay, but I don't have any much access to the people who can modify it. So now what I'm doing, I'm exactly doing some modification, upgradation of that mobile application. So this is a technological point, right? The third biggest challenge is that as a startup, you are always having a crisis of fund.
Yes.
And it is the only responsibility of the founders to get it done. No one will help you.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
No one means your friends, family, whoever the person you reach out. Okay, so you have to have that guts that even in the crisis days, you will be the only person who will be taking care of it.
True. Very true.
These are the challenges. 3 challenges I faced, and we overcome it.
So, Manoj Babu, I will ask the next question. So, what is the USP or what is the uniqueness behind your current product or the project you are in? So, কি এমন জিনিস বা কি এমন বৈশিষ্ট্য which makes your product stand out with the competitors or your rivals? If you can throw some light on that.
If you talk about any kind of service, like if you talk about grocery delivery, if you talk about vegetables, then you have one company like Grofers or maybe Big Basket or anything like that. Now, if you ask Big Basket to maybe send a cab, is it possible? No. If you require like a kind of emergency services, right? If you require a kind of the spiritual or life coach from Big Basket, no. Again, if you talk about Urban Club, they only providing home kind of household kind of services part. If you ask them to give you that medical support, is not going to happen. Okay.
Correct.
So now, what exactly, if we look into our product portfolio, starting from your groceries, your vegetables, your medicine delivery, your emergency services, your cab services, your spiritual services, your tours and travels. If you want to spend some time with your intellectual counselor, or maybe if you talk about the psychiatrist, if you talk about physiotherapists, if you want to get doctor's consultation on a video call or maybe on a telecall, so everything You talk any kind of services for senior citizens, everything is there with us. And it's not necessary that you need to apply through mobile application only. You just pick up your phone, dial the number, our relationship manager will help you. That's it. And there is no such platform in India as on date who are giving actually this kind of services in unified platform.
Okay.
Right. So it's obviously so many uniqueness are there. We have already implemented, executed many of these services. Some are yet to be done, but yes, it's going to happen very soon.
The app will have to be subscribed to.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Paid services means just you need to download the mobile application. You need to register yourself. Once you register, our backend, our relationship manager will get in touch with you.
Mm-hmm.
That relationship manager will brief you everything, the process and everything. There is no registration cost at all. You just pay your service only, whatever, and it is not more than your market price. Like if your potato cost you 15 rupees, you will get with 15 rupees or even lower than that.
Okay. So for the delivery of the products to home, or maybe for getting a doctor, you are not charging any service fee, etc.
Nothing. No.
So if I may ask, what is the revenue model for the whole thing?
Okay. So if you talk about like let's say power checking at home. Okay.
Okay.
Now you are chosma parite. So it's, I guess you are very much aware of like chosma people or this ophthalmology and these things. Their profit margin may be 200%, 300%, 500%, even maybe you'll be very surprised to know that it is more than even that.
Correct.
If I do it maybe at a cost of maybe 10-15%, that is sufficient for me. I don't have any problem.
Right.
Right?
So there are certain services which are regulars, which are coming free, and you have certain premium services which you are giving at a lower price.
Yes, the tie-up is something like that. Let's say the business model is something like that. Your SC servicing is costing you maybe 500 rupees, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is the end user cost. Your customer cost is, let's say 500. Okay.
Correct.
But since it's a bulk, it's a national kind of tie-up. So I'll not be asking that person to charge me 500 rupees. It will be something lesser than that.
Absolutely.
So that is my profit. Your charges will be same or even lower than that.
Correct. So which means you are aggregating all the senior citizen services onto your platform.
Some part is aggregation, yes, obviously, but there are so many things which we are directly providing.
Very good. Yeah. Understood. So Devaditya, let us know the future plans now. Let's see what in future you have plans.
Okay, so we have started our operation like even in the month of maybe May also. That was a kind of alpha project, right? So we have already alpha maybe pilot project, you can say. Our commercial launch has happened. Okay, so we are now catering into West Bengal map, right? So Siliguri, Kolkata has already been started. In the next month, we are going to Jamshedpur. And as you are aware that it's a total lockdown in Jamshedpur, right? So that is why we have postponed it the next month. So Jamshedpur, and then we'll be going to Odisha, and then Bangalore, then Pune, Maharashtra. So this is the plan, for maybe next 3-4 years.
Fantastic.
And it is such a kind of platform where you will find a lot of employment generation. We are planning for at least 1,000 employment generation by next 3 years.
That's excellent.
তো কেমন লাগলো বলুন আপনার সব জিনিসপত্র ঘরে পেয়ে?
খুবই উপকৃত আমরা মাইক্রোসফট তরফে জানাচ্ছি, কারণ এই যে আমরা ঘরে আমাদের বয়স হয়েছে, আমরা তো রোজ বেরোতে পারবো না। আমরা এই যে একদিন এইগুলো পাচ্ছি, মানে সেটা ভাষায় আমরা বলতে পারবো না। খুব ভালো হয়েছে, কারণ আমাদের পক্ষে রোজ বেরোনো অসম্ভব ব্যাপার। একদিন সবজি বা একদিন মসুর বা একদিন মাছ, এই যে মার্কেটের করে যেমন দিয়ে যাচ্ছে, আর এই কোভিডের সময় খুব আমরা মার্কেটকে মানে অসম্ভব ধন্যবাদ।
থ্যাংক ইউ কাকিমা। এবার থেকে আমাদের থেকেই সব অর্ডার করবেন, আমরা আপনাদের সাপ্রাণ চেষ্টা করব সব রকম জিনিস সাপ্লাই দিয়ে আপনাদের সার্ভিস দিতে। ধন্যবাদ আপনাকেও। সুস্থ থাকবেন, সাবধানে থাকবেন।
তোমরাও ভালো থেকো।
কামিং টু অ্যান এন্ড, আমি একটা কথা জিজ্ঞেস করব। সেটা মনোজবাবু, আপনি মানে এখন আমাদের যে স্টার্টআপ ইকোসিস্টেম রয়েছে, যারা অলরেডি কাজ করছে, ইভেন অনেক এমন ছেলেমেয়েও রয়েছে যারা অ্যাসপায়ারিং এন্টারপ্রেনার, তো তাদের জন্য যদি কিছু টিপস দিতে পারেন, তারা অনেক কিছু জানতে চায় অনেক সময়। তো দ্যাট ওয়াজ দ্য হোল অবজেক্টিভ অফ দিস ওয়েব সিরিজ। তো আপনার সাকসেস মন্ত্র বা সাকসেস জ্ঞান যদি কিছু শেয়ার করেন আমাদের সাথে।
Okay. See, ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে, if you talk about us means the larger aspect, আমি বলতে পারি বেঙ্গলি, মানে আমরা যারা আছি, আমাদের জন্য the biggest challenge is that আমাদেরকে কখনো শেখানো হয় না কি how to be an entrepreneur, right? আমাদেরকে বরাবর বেঙ্গলিদের আমরা দেখেছি, আমরা প্যারেন্টস, আমার কেন কিনা আমি একটা স্কুল চেনও যখন আছে, so everyone is aspiring for getting a good job, right? So no one is aspiring to be a job provider. So that is the biggest challenge, and that is the challenge you people should be breaking that concept, right? I guess this is a very right platform where you can sensitize all these things. এখানে কি হচ্ছে, আমাদের দিনের পর দিন যদি আমরা জানি we are approaching towards T junction, right? যেখানে আমরা বলি প্যারালাল ইকোনমি আমাদেরকে রাখতে হবে। একটা ফ্যামিলিতে এখন হয়তো একজনের ইনকাম সাফিসিয়েন্ট নয়। লেটস সে আমরা দেখেছি, মাই ফাদার ওয়াজ এ টিচার, রাইট? So that one-handed income was not sufficient for everybody's upbringing, right? Although that was a challenge, but when somehow due to whatever reason we were not being able to understand it properly or maybe access it properly. But yes, এখন অনেক ছেলেপুলে বাচ্চাদের থেকে আমরা দেখছি যে they are trying to do something on their own also. They are trying to always explore things. এখানে একটা জিনিস, আমরা শুধুমাত্র যে পয়সা থাকলে তবে কিনা বিজনেস শুরু করতে পারি এরকমটা নয়, আবার কারোর ফ্যামিলিতে যে বিজনেসম্যান থাকলেই তবে যে বিজনেস করবে এরকমও না, রাইট? সো দুটো জিনিস আছে। সো নাও আমাদেরকে একটা জিনিস, খালি আমাদের যে জেনারেশন গুলো আসছে তাদেরকে একটা জিনিস বলতে হবে, ট্রাই টু বি আ জব প্রোভাইডার অলসো। এন্ড সেটা করতে গেলে তাকে কিছু না কিছু করতে হবে। এন্ড যদি এরকম খালি আমরা যেটা ভাবি, সে এখন দেখবেন অনেক মায়েদের, অনেক মেয়েদের এখন হয়তো একটা জিনিস দেখবেন যে ছোট ছোট এই যে হোম ডেলিভারি করে ফুড নিয়ে। So means they are trying to do something. So that is the awareness which is actually coming nowadays. And now আপনারা যেরকম ভাবে হয়তো ইনিশিয়েটিভ নিচ্ছেন, so I guess these are the platforms which will actually aware people that there are some other thing also where they can earn dignity, they can earn so many things, they can be wealthy, they can be healthy, they can appoint many people, right? And this is, believe me, if someone is having the guts to do something on his own, then definitely no matter what, পয়সা নেই তো কিছু অসুবিধা নেই, 10 টাকা 20 টাকা দিয়েও কিন্তু স্টার্ট করতে পারে। There are so many things like আপনাদের প্ল্যাটফর্মে চলে যাও, if you are doing something then you can earn money. So that is a very simple thing. Like বাড়িতে সবাই এখন ছোটবেলা থেকে আস্তে আস্তে মাইন্ডসেট গুলো তৈরি করতে। আর আরেকটা জিনিস হচ্ছে, যখন ও বিগার ফার্মে কিছু করতে চাইবে, so the first problem will be কি আমি কারোর সাপোর্ট পাবো না, এটুকু আমাকে ধরে নিতে হবে। That was the biggest challenge. মানে আমরা তো ভাবি আমার বাবার পয়সা নেই, আমাদের কেউ চেনাশোনা ব্যবসায় নেই, কেউ টাকা আমাকে দেবে না। It's fact, nobody will give you. আর শুধুমাত্র আইডিয়া থাকলে যে আমি আইডিয়া তো অনেকের মধ্যে আছে, আমার মাথায় আইডিয়া আছে, আপনার মাথায় আইডিয়া আছে, সবার মাথায় আইডিয়া আছে। আইডিয়া থাকলে যে লোক টাকা দিয়ে দিবে এরকম না, but they will also look into your tenacity, your capability, your execution power, everything, right? তবেই তো কিনা একটা লোক গিয়ে ইনভেস্ট করবে। So your initial days of the entrepreneur is not so peaceful, right? Or not so healthy, happy, right? Everything, there will be tension everywhere. You'll be finding there are so many sleepless nights. সো ডেফিনেটলি এগুলোকে যদি করে এগোনো যায়, সো আমাদের মাইন্ডসেট গুলো অনেকটাই চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে। এন্ড আই এম শিওর কি আপনাদের এইসব যে প্ল্যাটফর্ম গুলো রেডি হচ্ছে, এগুলো অনেক স্কুল গোয়িং ছেলেপুলে আছে, তাদেরকে যদি আপনারা আরেকটু এনকারেজ করেন, সো অবভিয়াসলি সেখান থেকে অনেক ট্যালেন্ট উঠে আসবার চান্সেস আছে।
I think the best part, sorry to interrupt, Mohadi, but the best part was the word that you used, tenacity. I think
Yeah.
tenacity and patience. There is no shortcut to success. There is no shortcut to earn money. So I think tenacity, the dedication you need, and you also need to have the perseverance. সেটা থাকলেই কিন্তু we can succeed. আমি অনেক সময় দেখি আমাদের চারপাশে, আমাদের ইকোসিস্টেমে we have lot of people যাদের একটা মায়োপিয়া কাজ করে, একটা যে শর্ট টার্ম সাকসেস, এখন এইটা করলে হয়তো খুব ভালো, তখন ওই সময় হয়তো ওইটা করলে বেটার, বাট যে মানে যে জিনিসটা অনেক লং টার্মে থাকবে বা একদম ইনিশিয়ালি যেটা নিয়ে ভেবেছিলাম সেটার পিছনে টাইম দিয়ে, সেটার পিছনে R&D করে সেটাকে এস্টাবলিশ করা, সেটাকে দাঁড় করানো, সেটাকে স্কেল আপ করা, আই থিঙ্ক সেটা দ্যাট ইজ দ্য মোস্ট চ্যালেঞ্জিং অ্যান্ড এক্সাইটিং পার্ট অফ এনি স্টার্টআপ জার্নি। সো আই থিঙ্ক দ্য ওয়ার্ড
একটা বাংলায় কথা আছে না, যেটা খুব সুন্দর, মানে ঘুম ভাঙলেই সকাল হিসেবে ধরুন, ঠিক আছে?
একদম।
হ্যাঁ, তো আমার ওটা ভেবে লাভ নেই যে আমি 10 বছর আগে কেন ট্রাই করিনি, আমার ওটা ভেবে তো কিছু এখন লাভ নেই। আই ক্যানট গো ব্যাক, টাইম মেশিন তো নেই যে আই ক্যানট গো ব্যাক 10 years and then I can fix everything. So that is not going to happen. আমাদেরকে যখন আমার মনে আসছে, so let us do something. ইভেন যে কেউ যদি TCS এ চাকরি করছে, কেউ অন্য কোম্পানিতে চাকরি করছে, বড় বড় কোম্পানিতে চাকরি করছে, they are so happy with their work. It's not like that at all. Right, so people are there, I know, maybe earning more than 1.5 crore in a year, but still they are not happy with their job. Whereas there are people who is earning maybe 15,000 out of his business, maybe, but he is extremely happy. Right, I'm earning, I have 2-3 employees, right? They are also earning 20,000 rupees per month. I'm getting 15,000 per month, but they are earning 20,000. So that is a great level of satisfaction.
Absolutely. In fact, আমাদের সেইটাই ইনিশিয়েটিভ, কারণ টু বি ভেরি অনেস্ট, শুরু অফ গ্রুপের সাথে থাকতে থাকতে এই ইকোসিস্টেমটা তৈরিও হচ্ছে একদমই, যে আমি নিজেও একজন স্ট্রাগলিং এন্টারপ্রেনিয়র, তো সেই জন্য আজকে শুরু অফ গ্রুপের সাথে অ্যাটাচ হওয়ার ফলে প্রত্যেক দিন কারুর না কারুর সাথে কোনো না কোনো একটা প্রোডাক্টিভ ডিসকাশন হচ্ছে, হয়তো আমি কারুর কাজে লাগছি, হয়তো কেউ আমার কাজে লাগছে। ইনফ্যাক্ট এই যে ইকোসিস্টেমটা তৈরি হচ্ছে না, এইটা করতে গিয়ে পার্সোনালি হোয়াট আই ফিল ইজ probably in Bengal we do not lack money or we do not lack the knowledge, but what we lack is the courage, we lack the confidence. And these kind of group activities together, যেটা আজকে মাইকুল গুরুরও অবজেক্টিভ, শুরু আপেরও অবজেক্টিভ, যে একটা টিম ওয়ার্ক তৈরি করা, যার জন্য মাইকুল গুরুতে তো আমরা ট্যাগলাইনটাই বলি শেয়ার কেয়ার গ্রো। যদি নিজেদের যা আছে আমরা যদি নিজেদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করতে পারি, একজন আরেকজনের কেয়ার নিতে পারি, তো আমরা একসাথেই গ্রো করবো। দ্যাট ইজ দ্য হোল আইডিয়া। সো এই একটা অবজেক্টিভ নিয়েই আমরাও করছি, যে যদি এইভাবে কোনোভাবে যদি মোটিভেট করা যায় আরো ইয়াং জেনারেশনকে এগিয়ে আসতে, বিকজ মোস্ট অফ আস এন্টারপ্রেনিয়র্স আর নাও অ্যাবভ 40, সো উই নিড টু গিভ দ্য ব্যাটন টু পিপল হু আর ইয়াঙ্গার। উই উইল নট কন্টিনিউ দিস ফর অ্যানাদার 50 years মেবি, আমাদের লঞ্জিভিটির একটা লিমিট থাকবে, বাট উই নিড ইয়াংস্টার্স টু কাম আপ, সো দ্যাট হোয়াট এভার উই আর ক্রিয়েটিং, দ্য নলেজ, দ্য এক্সপার্টাইজ দ্যাট উই হ্যাভ, উই ওয়ান্ট টু হ্যান্ড ওভার দ্য ব্যাটন টু দেম। আমাদের সেই ইয়াং লিডার্সদের এখন ভীষণ দরকার। So definitely it was a fantastic conversation with Mr. Manoj Maiti, and I really wish all the best, very successes to Mr. Maiti, and I'm very sure Nestcare is going to change the entire picture. Like, this is going to be one startup from Bengal which is definitely going to become pan-India. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining, Debaditya. Some will also, in fact, Debaditya also would be invited one day to speak about his experience, because Debaditya also has a huge experience about startups and everything. And the best part is Debaditya knows a lot about the technicalities in terms of documentation, licenses, permissions, and where to get what. So that he is also very knowledgeable. So probably one day we will have that kind of a session as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Maiti. Thank you so much, everyone in my Kulguru group and Shuruab group. You're there for watching. Thank you, everyone who's watching this. Please spread the word. Let West Bengal also become a fantastic ecosystem for the Shuruabs. Let it be a place which people aspire to come to for startup. Let's begin the journey. Someday we have to begin, so let's begin the journey. Thank you. Thank you all so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
সমিতবাবু কেমন লাগলো আপনার মালপত্র পেয়ে আমাদের থেকে?
Very good, very nice. Experience is also very good. So thank you, Maitis, and keep delivering such kind of services. I'm very, very excited.
থ্যাংক ইউ। এনি ফিডব্যাক, এনি সাজেশন স্যার?
Yes, the apps need to be more constructive way.
Yeah, that we will do,
The
definitely.
payment and the other clause are I have checked, it's not mentioned there. So,
Okay.
so looking forward for the more aggressive and more constructive way of construction of
Sure,
the
sure,
app.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, বি
Thank
সেফ।
you, Maiti.
ওকে।